What's going on, people? Hope everyone's good. Welcome back to another video. Today there's a few things we're going to do on the VXR. We're going to give it a wash, and there's a couple of other bits we need to do as well. So as the sun's decided to show itself again, thought I'd bring you along with me. So let's get into it. Alright, so I get a lot of questions on Instagram and stuff about what I use to actually clean the car. So this is the stuff I use by Squeaky Lee's. It's quality stuff, especially that ceramic shine sealant. Works so good. This is one of the kits that they do. Literally get everything in there. Shampoo, that smells fucking banging as well. Polish, obviously your tyre dressing, plastic dressing, glass cleaner. What we got there? Quick detailer, alloy wheel cleaner, plastic trim dressing. We've got pre-wash, and there was a fallout remover as well, but I've used all of that, so I need to get some more of that. That works really good. Excuse the mess of the garage, but yeah, I've got this stuff as well. Obviously, Snow Foam Lance, bit of Demon Shine, Meguiar's. This stuff is really good. High definition wax. Yeah, it's just some other bits, but mainly using this stuff here. So you can see jet wash is all set up, ready to go. So I'm going to shuffle the cars around, move that one over there, and then I'll catch up with you when they're swapped. Right, so as you can see, cars have all been moved, so let's get to washing.
Bye.
I don't just love snow foam. I don't know what it is. There's something really satisfying about snow foam. Nice. Right, so next on the agenda, we are going to be removing the back seats out of the car. We're going to put a flat floor in there with a bar across. So take these out, and then so if we pull this up, I think it's just them two bolts there for the actual back of the seats, and then I believe around the front just down here, it's just these along here to take the actual bench out. So I'll catch up with you in a sec. Right, okay, so as you can see, I've taken these out. There's one there one in the middle, and then one down there on that side. So once you've taken them out, these bolts, they are a T45, like a Torx bit, and then in here, to get the bench out, they clip into here. The fuck is that? Torquay land train. Need that. Right, so yeah, as I was saying, underneath the seat there's hooks. They hook into here on both sides. So once the front bolts are out, you just put it back and then lift it up, and then it should come loose. And then you've got these here. These are for the seat belts, to take them out. So I'll let you know when they're out. Right. So in the video, obviously I've cleaned the car and went to take the seats out, but I had a problem with one of the bolts on the bottom of the seat, and it was just stuck. I was yanking on it so hard, I literally snapped the weld off the nut underneath the car, and the bolt was just spinning round. So it's been actually a few days since the last video, since the start of this video. And basically I've literally got an angle grinder and just had to cut the bolt off completely to get the seats out. So let me show you. It's been an absolute fuckery of a job, but now you can see the seats are fully out. So it's actually this bolt here. You can see where I've been like smashing it and stuff. It was actually that one bolt. All the rest of them all came out fine. It's just that one that was a problem. But yeah, so they're all out now. Seat belts are out. For anyone who doesn't know, seat belts go behind here, and then they attach down here as well, if you can see that there. And then the same on that side as well, down the bottom. Seat belts are out, go through there. Yeah, so the plan is now, hopefully later on this week, to go and find the wood. So basically, if anyone has done that before, where they've like laid a flat floor in the car, drop a comment and let me know what type of wood you use. I don't know whether to use like MDF, plywood, I don't really know, so if you could drop a comment, let me know, I'd appreciate it. But yeah, so that's going to wrap up this video, and stay tuned for the next one. I've got some more parts on the way as well, so I'll be fitting them very soon, and then we'll get cracking on the flat floor. So if you like the video, subscribe, drop a like and share it as well. I'd really appreciate it. So I'll see you in the next one.